Hey everyone, happy Woe Weather Wednesday. Brendan here to talk to you a little bit about something that is just starting to come to an end. We see them around spring to early summer or so. That is correct, tornadoes. Tornadoes, also called twisters, are these spinning funnel-shaped columns of air that we see. They stretch from thunderstorms clouds all the way down to the ground, can pick up debris and dust, and create something truly incredible, but yet also very powerful. To show you just how powerful they are, I have my own tornado on hand. And although it's not as powerful as a real tornado, well, tornado in a bottle. In order to make one of these, you want to get around two 2-liter soda bottles or so. And I have a connector piece, but even some duct tape will do. With the help of an adult, all you can do is add a little bit of water, make sure that they're firmly together, and before you know it, give it a little spin, and voila. Got yourself your own tornado in a bottle. This spinning right here would represent the rotating column of air. We're seeing that called a vortex. As tornadoes start to go down, you get this spinning air going around and around, and that's how tornadoes get their unique shape. Some of these tornadoes can go faster than a race car, upwards of 250 miles per hour. So how exactly do tornadoes develop, right? Well, let's take a little bit of a deep dive into it. So we know that thunderstorms, or really bad storms, can form when cold, drier air is pushed over warm, humid air. And when that warm air rises through this colder air, it causes what is known as an updraft, which is essentially a change in the wind direction. It's the rising of the air through. If these winds from the thunderstorm vary in great speed or direction, this updraft will soon begin to rotate. And as this rotating updraft draws in more warm air from the moving thunderstorm, its rotation speed increases and a funnel cloud can begin to form. As the twisters gain strength, the funnel becomes a little bit longer, becomes a little bit more visible that we're starting to see. Dirt and debris is starting to get caught up in the rotation. We see the most violent tornadoes, though, through storms called supercells. This is the name that people give to large thunderstorms with winds already in rotation. However, only about 1 in 1,000 thunderstorms becomes a supercell, and only 1 in about 5 or 6 supercells would end up creating a tornado. While tornadoes are pretty rare in the Pennsylvania region, it's always good to know just a little bit of information to help keep you and those around you a little bit more safe and informed about exactly what tornadoes are. And with the power of 2 bottles, a little bit of duct tape, and some water, whether or not you decide to dye it, to make your very own tornado at home. Stay safe, stay weather aware, and we'll see you next time.